In our current economic system, there is a very fundamental flaw which is really the root cause of most of the world's problems today, and that is an obsession with quantitative growth. Economists and also politicians tend to believe that perpetual economic growth is possible on a finite planet, which of course is nonsensical. And in order to chart this economic growth, they use various indicators, and foremost among them the gross domestic product, or GDP, which is a purely quantitative indicator that lumps together all economic activities. So if there's an accident, for instance, that costs money and contributes to the GDP. So a big catastrophe like many years ago, the Exxon Valdez in the Arctic, was a huge boost to the American GDP. But of course, it did not create any wealth, it destroyed wealth. So this very uncritical, rough quantitative indicator is used to measure what they call the health of the economy. And of course, health cannot be quantified. So what we are saying in our book, The Systems View of Life, is that we need to shift from quantitative growth to qualitative growth. And what I mean is the kind of growth that we observe in nature, which is multidimensional, where some things grow, but other things decline, disintegrate, and release their components for new growth. And also qualitative growth is inner growth. It's an increasing maturity, complexity, sophistication, and it contributes to the quality of life. And of course, then we need the appropriate indicators, qualitative indicators of health, of literacy, of economic equality or equity, of environmental balance, and none of them can be monetized and just lumped together in a single index. And this is being done. There are these qualitative indicators, and the Human Development Index and the Calvert-Henderson indicators, and in the book we list these various developments.